Happy Monday!
Oh, thank you very much. It's like the dog's tube.
I'm having a... what's this? Ano yan siya?
That's right. Excuse me? Would you like me to give you any comments?
Chocolate.
Comments in yellow shape.
Chocolate drink.
These here are the
Diriya kape.
sauerkraut and bok tea.
Hindi siya kape.
And are these
Chocolate
elephant
drink
They
siya.
are chrysanthemums.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, great. Thank you.
All right.
medyo hindi naman ako umiinom ng ano.
Yeah.
Hindi naman ako umiinom ng chocolate drink all the time. So,
Food is so dirty.
today, I keep myself a favor na uminom ng chocolate drink. Morning coffee, this in the afternoon chocolate drink ako. Kaya I have this one. Then, para sa'yo, or para sa inyo, which one is good? Coffee or yung chocolate drink?
Delicious.
That one.
Yan
yung ano ko.
Delicious. Really good.
Madumi na
Yeah,
yung
the flowers and all that.
dito. May chocolate na siya.
That was all about the food.
Maybe next fall.
String!
After learning the hotel's revenue is strictly from events, I want to see